between the hills and quiet streets. A question hums beneath our feet, not loud, not fierce, but always there. What kind of future will we share? Is it hope, a steady light that warms the cold and softens night? A hand held out, a voice made kind, a bridge for every heart and mind. Or division, sharp and thin, a line that cuts the world we're in, where words grow hard and walls rise fast, and neighbors turn their backs at last. Oh, the choice is small in how it starts, in simple acts, in open hearts, in how we speak, in what we see, in who we choose to let be we. So let the answer, quiet and true, be shaped by what we say and do, not carved in anger, fear or spite, but built each day with patient light. Imagine futures where kindness reigns, where laughter echoes, not just refrains. With every step we can build